So hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Being Chris here with a few unboxing from Diamond Art Club, and the first one we'll be taking a look at is from Frances Judd. It is called She Believed She Could, but I just want to say that I really enjoy doing these diamond paintings. I just finished another one here on spring break, and it's been a lot of fun. Very common and stuff, but for those of you that are new, if you're new to the channel, hello, welcome on in. We're going to unbox. You're probably going to leave this video, and you're probably going to be like, okay, I have to grab a diamond painting because they're just so awesome. So we get a toolkit with every Diamond Art Club, and these are the newer ones, and the good thing about this is that it is reusable and recyclable. Yeah, love that. It's like a paperish type of tear. Let's see. I don't know why is it that every time a new diamond painting comes out, Chris is like, I need to get this. And am I excited for the diamond paintings themselves, or am I excited for these toolkits? Because I don't know, I just like them. I think they put a lot of thought into them. I think they're cute. Anyway, let's open this up. So inside you're going to get a magic applicator, you're going to get a comfort grip, you're going to get a heart-shaped wax container, a crafty tray stopper, which comes in handy when you are doing your diamond paintings. Diamonds tend to fly everywhere on my desk and on my floor, and they're in my bed because my bed's behind me. Like, and don't get those little suckers stuck into your feet because they hurt too. Anyway, multi-placer, which I just come to realize I have so many. A mind cover, and Ziploc baggies. Now, the one thing I will say off the bat that I love about Diamond Art Club is the fact that I love the bags that they come in. I feel like I don't get as much static. So for those of you out there who do excessive diamond painting like Chris herself, you probably understand the fact that when you have a bag and you have multiple areas to do in that particular color, it's so frustrating when the bag is full of static. So I've reached out to a few people. I've asked, what are your what are your thoughts, like tips on how to make the bags less staticky, and a dryer sheet has helped. But I've also I really got upset the other day when I was doing one and the bag was so full of static that I could not even, there was no help. There was no help with the bag. So anyway, long story short, I like Diamond Art Club because I like the bags that they use, and you don't have to particularly put them in like little containers. You can kind of just stick them, in a row in a box or something like that. Anyway, come on, Chris, stop talking. All right, so what do we have here? Let's see. Anything I'm missing? Nope, I'm not missing anything. All right, so here is our baggies. Now these could be for, if you want to put them in baggies. I have a whole bunch of these. And we do have a tray with our stopper. Now I like these trays. I like the stoppers. Very cool. So when you're shaking them, they don't go flying. Well, they still tend to fly everywhere, but you know what I'm saying. So that is your tray. You get washi tape. Ooh, let's go into my collection. And look at this mind cover. Ooh, this one's like glittery with hearts and stuff like that. I might have to turn this up a little bit more so you can see. Ah, is that going to help? I don't know. I might have to fool around with my lighting real quick. Let me do that real quick. I'll be right back. I feel like no matter what I do, the lighting is just not my thing. Anyway, that's a mind cover. I have not used them, but I do put them over here on my little stand because I just like collected magnets. You do get a little squishy. And you also get your placers, okay? And you also get these really adorable waxes. So these are adorable, adorable. And the wax I've actually have come to love because I feel like there is a certain technique you got to use, and once you get that down, you're ready to rock and roll. So here is our toolkit. Okay, and I'll put everything back on in here. Oh, you get a pen, a green pen. You get a pen, and you can change out the placers. You know, I'm telling you, I'm gonna open a store one day. That's all to it. I'm gonna open a store. So let's get on over to the canvas itself, my friends. All right. So what I forgot to say was these are round, so these are not squares. I tend to love squares because I feel like I can line them up a little bit easier, and but the rounds I've gotten used to as well. They do come on this ledger right here, sticky labels, I guess you can call them, and they do give you an extra few ones. So if you wanted to put them on your containers, you could. It would not be a problem. So let's go ahead and look. So let's go ahead and look. Let's go look, Chris. Let's go look. So we do have a few colors here. Now the only downfall is that you've really got to go. They might be in order. I wonder if they are just one long. Okay, so they're not in order. That's a little crazy, but we do have, yeah, they're not in order. So what I did, okay, I'm going to let y'all know, is that I took the little stickers off. Like, for example, 132. I found 132, or for example, I have 743 here. I have 743 here, and I found 743, and I just stuck this little sticker on here, and I cut the top part off, and I kind of just have them on like a slant, kind of in a box. I'll show a picture at the end of the video about what I do, but instead of me having to go through a whole storage system, and these are round, so I'm not really going to put them in containers because I'm just not. I don't really do a lot of rounds, but we do have some pretty colors. I feel like you guys cannot see my beautiful colors though. Like, we have some greens. Okay, let's take a look to see if we can find these. 135. Yeah, so you have these 135s. These are an AB. And then there's a 132 somewhere. If I can find that. Well, 132 is a smaller bag. All right. But the good thing about these bags is that you really don't have to use a storage system. You can simply put those little labels on here and stick them in a box, stand them upright. And if you wanted to, you can also tape them, but I think it's going to work out fine. And it's a semi-big canvas, but a lot of pretty colors. So I do see a lot of greens. I see orange and yellows and blues. So you don't see like any reds or purples or anything like that. But it looks like a very, very, very pretty canvas. I will be doing this live on Saturday, April 23rd around 2 p.m. Eastern Time. We will be having a giveaway of this when this is completed. And the rate I've been finishing, it's been taking me like about 2 weeks to finish a canvas like this. So, but yeah, this is She Believes She Could by Lisa Frances Judd. And I got it from Diamond Art Club. And it is a licensed artwork. Go ahead and follow Diamond Art Club on Instagram, on Facebook, you know, and go and take a look at their paintings because they are really pretty and they're really good for gifts. The one I just finished was not from Craftably. I'm sorry, was not from Diamond Art Club. It was from Craftably, and I'm actually going to give it away as a gift for my boss because she is having a birthday soon. There goes the ice cream man. I feel like there's two going by at the same time. It's like coming out of my ear that way. Anyway, I'm going to wrap this video up, my friends, because I'm going to do 2 separate videos on the other 2 that I got. But this, I wanted to just make a special video about this one because I think this is going to be perfect for the charity stream I am doing. It is One Up on Cancer. And we help raise money for cancer patients here in the U.S. And I figured what a better way to help raise money for cancer patients who need help paying their medical bills. I can diamond paint. I can diamond paint and we can talk and we can relax and chill. And I really want to just show the world right now how much fun diamond painting is, and the benefits itself are awesome. I feel so good. Mental wise, physically, it's just an art that I really truly love, and I think anybody can do it. You can get the young ones to do it. You can get the older, your older friends to get it, you know, get to do it. You can, you know, start your own little addiction, I guess you can say. All right, I'm going to leave it here, my friends. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're considering subscribing, please do so. I love seeing new faces. And let me know in the comments down below if you have been working on any diamond paintings. What have you been working on, and what company you tend to go to buy from the most, if that makes any sense. All right,